Hello my dear friends, today we are going to cook a very simple and easy chicken keema biryani. These are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. So let's look at them one by one. 500 grams of minced chicken, 2 large potatoes cut into big pieces, 4 medium-sized onions finely sliced, garlic paste. Here I have taken 5 big cloves of garlic and I have turned it into a paste in a mixer. 1½ teaspoon of ginger paste, 1½ tablespoon of coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon of chicken masala powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee or you can use butter, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 large tomato diced, 3 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2 to 3 drops of meetha atar, and half a lemon. Salt and sugar as per taste, oil and rice. First we need to prepare the rice. For this I took 2 cups of basmati rice that I have boiled together with some salt, half a lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom. After adding the spices, stir a little and cook the rice up to 85 to 90% and drain the excess water. So our rice is ready. Now we will start making the chicken keema. In a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 finely sliced onion. Fry the onions till golden brown and crispy on medium flame. Now we can see that the onions have turned golden brown. So we will take it out in a bowl. You can see that the onions are nice golden brown. Now we simmer the flame. In the same oil, add 1 cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf. Saute a little. To this we will add the potatoes. Increase the flame to medium high and fry the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a bit of salt and continue frying. After frying the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes, we will add the finely sliced onions to it. Fry very nicely till the onions become softer and brownish. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, after frying for 1 to 2 minutes, we add the garlic paste. In goes the ginger paste. Saute very nicely for 3 to 4 minutes till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. Now simmer the flame. Add coriander powder. In goes the chicken masala powder, the red chili powder, the Kashmiri red chili powder, and the biryani masala. Saute and mix the spices very nicely on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Here I have added around 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add sugar as per taste. I have added about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir nicely. In goes the tomatoes. On medium flame, mix and saute everything very nicely for 1 minute. After a minute, add the chicken keema. Mix the keema very nicely with the spices and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, increase the flame and cook nicely for another 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garam masala powder. Now we can see that the keema has started releasing water. After cooking on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes, now we will add half a cup of lukewarm water to this. Mix everything very nicely. Now we need to simmer the flame and cover it for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we open the lid. Increase the flame to high and cook further for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, we check whether the chicken is cooked or not. Yes, we can see that the keema and the potatoes are perfectly cooked. The gravy looks very good. It should be a semi-gravy. After 7 minutes, we switch off the heat. Now we will be arranging the biryani in layers. Take out half portion of the keema in a bowl. Add 3/4 of the rice on top of the keema. Spread it very nicely. Sprinkle some biryani masala. Sprinkle some salt. Add half tablespoon of the ghee or butter. Add 2 to 3 drops of meetha atar. Add the fried onions. Now add the rest of the keema and repeat the same process. And sprinkle some garam masala. So that's it, my friends. Our simple chicken keema biryani is perfectly ready to go to the table. You can have it with raita, salad, egg curry, or any other chicken dishes. Please try it out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching my videos. Till the next time, take care. Bye-bye.